Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video we are going to answer a XENEA wallet as I used to provide it daily. If this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. So let's claim our daily point. So let's go for a quiz. So the quiz of the day: what is decentralized storage system that distribute data across network of nodes? So here is the answer, which is number 1, A. So congratulations. Let's go for a mission. So we have an increment of another mission, which is chart 3, so we'll answer it together. So let's go for a user form daily check-in. So congratulations, I've been getting the 111, so we have extra. So congratulations. So let's come for a chat 3. So let's claim our daily check-in first. So congratulations. So without making the video to be long, so I'll just go direct and answer it one by one. So I don't want the video to be long. So let's go and answer our quiz. So I will just go and import the code without calling the daily code. So number 1 answer, it's B. Streamify. What is industry chart 3 best known for the industry stream? Number 2 is C. Number 3 is A. Number 4 is C. Number 5 is C. Number 6 is D. Number 7 is B. Number 8 is C. So congratulations, have been submitted the correct code. So yeah, if this is the first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.